Is this recording? All right, guys. Okay, decide to do a short video to try to explain why I'm looking at FedEx as a leading indicator or give us some clues if the environment is ready for silver to explode. All right. So, well, look, I'll just share my screen. Do 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 do. All right, where is my super duper screen? Wait. Okay, here it is, guys. Okay, so check this out. All right, let's look at this chart. I might go interactive to explain a little bit more. So since, let's say 1999, the FedEx chart is the candle, and I overlaid the silver chart going on the just a thick black line. So here we go. We have FedEx going down. We have silver going down. FedEx breaking out. Silver still going a little bit sideways. But after that, that was the bottom. FedEx explodes, pulls back, continues, explodes, and then bam, silver. It's like silver, the way you got to see it sometimes, it really waits until the markets are like 100% sure there will not be a catastrophe, because it's also a financial barometer. So the gold silver ratio is essentially when there's risk off event, silver will get sold and gold might stay the same, might dip a little bit, but silver will drastically underperform gold in a risk off environment, a market crunch, whatever it is. And you see that in 2008 where the gold silver ratio plummets, and silver has to get sold off, or does get sold off more than gold, for that ratio to drop down. So when the risks of the gold silver ratio not plummeting and the market saying, okay, the gold silver ratio not exploding upwards, so silver getting sold. When the market thinks there's a chance for the gold silver ratio to stay the same or go down, then that is the environment for silver. And for FedEx, FedEx is like my canary in the gold mine. So you'll see up here, FedEx is climbing up. We know that precious metals outperformed U.S. equities during this time, but it doesn't mean U.S. equities were going down the drain, right? So FedEx was going up. It's just that silver was going up faster, because we know the gold to SPX ratio was going up. Gold was outperforming, so silver tracks that. Every time, see, FedEx pulls back, FedEx breaks out. The silver says, okay, it's fine. FedEx is going up. There's no economy crash. There's sufficient monetary easing to keep the nominally afloat the SPX, FedEx. It's fine. Silver goes up. Silver goes up here, but there's some warning signs. Look, FedEx actually breaking down here. It's not doing a pull flag like it did previously. It's breaking down lower highs. And that's what I mean with canary in the coal mine. Look at that. That was right before the market crash. So even in GFC 2008, so even if silver was going up at this time, FedEx was telling you there's going to be an issue, and it crashed before silver started crashing, but silver bottomed before FedEx recuperated. And here's FedEx going all the way down, silver recuperates, but look at that, after that, they start moving up together. When FedEx breaks out, silver continues going up, FedEx pulls back, breaks out of its wedge, pull flag. So even if it doesn't go up to higher highs, silver does explode. So silver does not have to go up when FedEx goes up, because there's periods right here in the bear market for silver and gold. FedEx was going up while silver was going down. But silver does like FedEx going up for it to have a sustained move up, right? So except here, this region where we had some warning signs ahead of time, silver likes FedEx going up. The market likes it. That means the gold silver ratio will not shoot up. There was no liquidity market crunch, and that's what I'm looking at here. So I want to see FedEx not crashing. It could go sideways, but I don't want to see it crashing like here. I don't want it leading, doing new lower lows, because that's lower highs, because that's a risk off environment. And that's very hard for silver to thrive, because, like I said, the financialization of the metals, the gold silver ratio. Right here, see FedEx breaking out. What Risk on, no problem. Gold silver ratio was probably going down in 2015 to 2016. Silver goes up. FedEx keeps going up. But remember, it's not because FedEx keeps going up that silver has to go up. But the fact that FedEx is not crashing is an environment where silver can go up. And that's the nuance, guys. That's how I read this. See, FedEx showing huge weakness, lower highs, all the way to this the 2020 drop. And it was not a propice or like a good environment for silver go up. So what does it do? It goes sideways. Then after that, FedEx breaks out, silver breaks out, FedEx stops, starts going down. Not a good environment for silver until it starts breaking out. So I'm just going to zoom in right before I stop this. I'm going to show you the. I'm going to back up, guys, because now I was having fun with FedEx versus gold. All right, here it is. Here is FedEx. Even have the miners right here, ASA. Same thing, silver chart, the precious metals fund, which is a gold and silver miners, all that, all these instruments track the gold to SPX ratio. So when capital flows are in gold's favor instead of US equities, then all these other charts, silver, miners, uranium, they all look like that ratio chart. But look what's happening now since I posted that chart a little while back on Twitter. Look, this is a definite move out of that wedge. This is clear. Unless like we close the month out of that, then this, and look at that, even the gold silver ratio was this morning, it was much higher than that, right? It's turning down. So the market's saying that the the risks of a market crash, they're, I know it's a daily chart, but they're starting to get subdued. So the monetary easing, maybe the less rate hikes possibilities, the market pricing in the rate hikes freeze, and then maybe the eventual rate hikes, rate cuts, they're going to come in. Look at that. I think silver was minus 1% today. Now it's up 1%. So the gold silver ratio is dropping. FedEx is going up. Silver maybe found the bottom. Silver, I'm going to overlay silver right here. So let's put silver. XAG USD, new price scale. You see how it moves here? So if this is happening, then this is a good chance maybe silver is going to follow suit. If it really believes that FedEx, again, it doesn't mean silver has to go up, but the fact that FedEx is breaking out, then this means that the environment is there for silver for the taking, and the pullbacks have been powerful and strong. Look at that, back to 2016 highs, like pure bloodshed everywhere, right? So that is why I'm looking at FedEx. It's leading the environment or setting the stage for an environment where silver can explode upwards, guys. Because remember, that's silver's waiting for that, right? It's waiting to make sure that the gold silver ratio will not skyrocket upwards, right? Because I'll show you the gold silver ratio, guys. Look at that. When gold silver ratio goes upwards, the market crunch, right? Look, 2008 goes upwards, right? So for that ratio to go up, that means, and this is that ratio has a high negative correlation to silver. So if that's going up, that means silver is plummeting at that moment, or it's going down faster than gold, just in the GFC 2008. So silver's not getting sold off because there's more supply, less supply. It's financialized. It's a financialized instrument, and that's what, if you want to have the clear sales to ride the silver really explode, you want the environment to be in silver's favor. So this is very favorable for silver, but I want to see now gold outperforming these US equities exploding upwards, right? You don't want this to be like a 2013 top where US equities outperform precious metals. You want the metals to start sniffing out this monetary imbalances and then start outrunning US equities on the way up. So even if they go up, you want the precious metals to go up faster, guys. And that's why I'm looking at as FedEx as another clue about the environment, which would be good for silver, guys. All right, hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching. Do 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 do.